Like I was saying, we're stressing this. This is so important. Before I put 9 up there, I want to stress this. This is 8 24 hours. 8 24 hours. 192 hours totally. Each month in their own cycle. So it should work the same way in Genesis 4. And again, I'm stressing this. Each month, their new moon starts on day 1. And we believe that. But on day 2, the second day of the month, starts their week off. This happens every month. So to them, in Genesis, this is the way it started. And then, of course, day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you count from 2 to 8, you have 7 days. So your 6 working days is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 working days. And the 7th day, which is to them the 8th day of the month. Now, this is how they come up with the 8th day. 8 24 hours now. I want you to look at this real close when we start dealing with this. How can you take 8 24 hours, 192 hours, and put them in 7 24 hours, which adds up to 168 hours? Why do they not use this each month in their own calendar they should make up? And you'll see why they will not. So, looking at this, what would start their second week off? I want you to understand something first here. Day 1 is the first day of the month. And we believe that when the new moon comes in. We just believe that the new moon can come in on either the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, or 7th day. They don't believe this. The second day of the month that their new month, starts their week off. Their week ends 4 weeks later on the 29th. On the 29th. So, then if they had a 30-day month, and then they would have a new moon come in, what day or what week would the 30th day of the month come in and the first day of the month? It don't have no week because their week ends on the 29th day. That's the last day of their week. That's their Sabbath. Remember, their first week starts on day 2 of every month. It ends on day 29 of each month. Remember what we were saying. Each month, they keep 8s, 15s, 22s, and 29s. But they really do not keep what they're saying. So, by looking at this, remember this. Every month, this same pattern falls in the same pattern every month. Now, what day, if you're going to go from 1 to 29 or 1 to 30 each month, then what day would start their second cycle off or their second week off? Remember, the 8th day is the 8th day from the first day of the month. The 8th day plays 2 parts. It ends the first 8-day cycle, or 8 days cycle in each month. The 8th day does. It also ends their week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It plays 2 parts. It ends their week, and it also ends the first 8 days of that month. That's how the 8th day plays that part. Now, they really don't want you to know this. I'm telling you. They really don't want you to know this. You remember again, 8 24 hours. See, I've had them to tell me that I misrepresent their lunar Sabbath. I don't represent it, first of all. But you can't take 8 24 hours and put it into a 7 24 hours. So again, I'm stressing this. What day starts off their second week? Now, their second week only has 7 days in it. Now, it would fit into a 7-day unbroken cycle. It would, because it's only 7 days. I said it's only 7 days. Now I want to look then, if I want to look at the day that would start their second cycle off. Now let's look at it.